Hello guys, wherever you are in this world, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to share Wi-Fi from your laptop or your PC on Windows 10. For example, you are connected with a Wi-Fi with your laptop, but you have a mobile phone and you want to share the same Wi-Fi to your phone because you don't have the password of this Wi-Fi. So there is a solution. If your laptop is connected with this Wi-Fi that you don't have on your mobile phone, you can share this connection or this Wi-Fi with your device or your mobile phone. How to do it? Let's start. First guys, you just have to open your Windows and open your settings. So from here guys, you have to go to network and internet. So you will find as you see this list of options. Go to mobile hotspot, click, and from here you can turn on this option like this, and that's it guys. This is the name of your Wi-Fi or your network that you share from your PC, and also this is your password. And there is another way. It's easier than this, but many people doesn't have this in their laptop. Just click here, and as you see here, you can turn on this or turn off it. So that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and bye.